Hello, welcome. For today's video, I'm going to show you the tutorial of dandelion leaves, and I'm using this kind of yarn and 3.5mm crochet hook. Start by making a magic ring. Chain, and then add 6 single crochet inside the ring. After the 6 single crochet, pull the tail, and then for round 2, insert your hook in this first chain, including the tail, and make a increase or 2 single crochet. Then repeat increase in each chain for a total of 12 single crochet stitches around. And then for round 3 to round 8, repeat a single crochet in each of this chain for 6 rounds. And this is what it looked like after the round 8. And then slip stitch in the next chain, then chain of 11. Then slip stitch in the back bump chain in the following 10 back bump chains. Then slip stitch in the next 3 chains, and then chain of 9, and then slip stitch in the following 8 back bump chains. Then just repeat alternately a chain of 11 and then a chain of 9 for 4 in total. And then once you have 4, slip stitch in the following 6 chains. Then chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, and then slip stitch second chain from the hook, and then half double crochet in the next, and then slip stitch in the next 3 chains here. Then chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch second chain from the hook, and then half double crochet, then half double crochet in the following 4 chains. And then at the top, on this chain here at the top, make a 2 double crochet. And then in the other side of the leaf, half double crochet in the next 4, then chain of 1, 2, 3, slip stitch second chain from the hook, half double crochet, then slip stitch in the next 3, then chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch, half double crochet, and then slip stitch in the following 3 chains. Okay, for the next leaf, for the second one, the short one, just follow this pattern, slip stitch of 6, chain of 3, 3, slip stitch second chain from the hook, and then half double crochet, slip stitch in the next 3 chains. Chain of 3, slip stitch, then half double crochet, and then half double crochet in the next 2 chains. And then at the top, make a 2 double crochet on the top here. Two. And then followed by a half double crochet of 2 in the next 2 chains. Then chain of 3, slip stitch, half double crochet, slip stitch in the next 3, and then chain of 3, slip stitch, half double crochet, and then slip stitch of 3. And then just repeat in the next leaf a first leaf here, and then second leaf in the 4th leaf. Then after that, make a chain and cut the yarn and flip this one.